Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to restrict field to accept only number using custom code in WPForm plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WPForm. So this is our form. Now go to form builder. So this is our number field. So click on it and then you see multiple options: general, advanced, smart logic. So click on advanced. And then you see CSS classes. First we are going to add CSS class and then we are going to add custom code for this CSS class. So in this number field we added CSS class numbers only. So you can add CSS class according to your requirement and then click on save. Now save done, go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section, open, and then you can add title layer. Then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. And then you see function name, restrict letter in specific field. So we only allow number, not allowed alphabet, character or letters. And then you see character code 09 and then you see class number only. Go to form. So we added CSS class in custom code. Now you see number only. Also here you see, and then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to form page and refresh the page. First we are going to fill this form. So we added some information and then you see number field. Now try to add some alphabet. Now you see alphabet not added. Now add number. Now you see number added. Also space not allowed, only number allow. So this field only accept number, not accept alphabet, character. And then click on submit form. Now you see form submission done. Now go to Gmail to check. So this is our form submission and then you see we receive data number. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.